Hey guys, today we're gonna be making some Katsu Curry. So I'm just gonna cut up the onions right now. You can either finely slice them or dice them, up to you. Next we're gonna cut up some carrots. And a potato. As many as you like, doesn't really matter. Next is our pork. So I just let this marinate and we're gonna score it. Fry up your onions. So they look like this. And add in your vegetables and some beef or chicken stock, and then just add your curry blocks. You can make real curry, but I'm too lazy for that. Crack open 2 eggs or 1 egg if you're not using that much pork. So I'm using a lot, so I'm doing 2. Whisk it and then put your meat into some flour and the egg mixture. You can have a clean and a wet hand for this. So if you'll notice the red stuff, that's actually protein chips. Try to do something a little fancy, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, it was just panko. And let it fry up and cut it up. Guys, this was so crispy and juicy. It was really good. Just plate that, put it all together, put some scallions on top,
Beautiful.
and enjoy.